I spent 33 years and 4 months in the active military. I like rum and motorcycles and maybe 3 people vintage shirt service, and during that period I spent most of my time as a high-class muscle man for big business, for Wall Street and the bankers. In short, I was a racketeer, a gangster for capitalism. I helped make. I like rum and motorcycles and maybe 3 people vintage shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I brought light to the Dominican Republic for the American one, like rum and motorcycles and maybe 3 people vintage shirt sugar interests in 1916. I helped make Honduras right for the American fruit companies in 1903. In China, in 1927 I helped see to it that Standard Oil went on its way unmolested. The peasants love it when the great wealthy American capitalists go to their country and throw change on the dirt floor for them to pick up. The entire system is so morally bankrupt that spin and censorship just happen naturally as emergent phenomena. Other products. And NBSP.